BlendJet's spring sale is on now. Spring for this incredible deal on BlendJet 2. BlendJet 2 is so powerful it can crush through just about anything, even ice. Its award-winning design makes perfectly blended smoothies and more, anytime, anywhere. It makes blending convenient. You'll quickly forget what chalky chunks of protein used to taste like. Coffee lovers, you're in for a lifetime supply of coffee shop quality frozen lattes, all without the hassle or the premium price tag. Yum! When you need to unwind, break out the good stuff, follow along with our free recipe videos, and live your best life with mixologist-level frozen cocktails. Don't waste your time cleaning an old-school blender. BlendJet cleans itself. It recharges quickly via USB-C and packs enough juice for 15 blends. With a double tap, BlendJet transforms into a powerful food processor. BlendJet really is that one-of-a-kind gift that people actually use and adore. With 20,000 5-star reviews and millions of customers in nearly every country, you can't go wrong with a BlendJet. Free express shipping straight from our California headquarters is included. Order yours today on blendjet.com before your favorites sell out.